Hi, Ikshwanku Sharma this side, working with Netsmartz as a technical consultant in Dynamics CRM. As a technical consultant, I always love to do and solve the complex problems. But when AI comes into the picture, it has changed my whole perspective towards seeing the CRM challenges. This training helped me a lot by providing me how AI inside Dynamics is so helpful by to analyze the customer behavior and their data. It helped us in very different ways to without even us writing 1,000 lines of logic. We can do all of these things inside the CRM. Uh, from training the CRM models, from customizing that CRM data models to training them on the real world support and sales data. I must say many data on CRM side. It is really a game changer for whole tech industry. So it also made the collaboration between the technical and functional teams so easier. So we both can speak the same language, and it's a really a good point when your team understand the same language. So it always helps you in building the better solutions for the customer. So I must say by taking this training, I got a good grip on that CRM AI side that definitely going to help me in future for building the solutions with the within timeline, within less time, without doing much efforts. So it all comes into the picture when we talk about the AI. So yeah, it's all about the AI, how AI has changed my perspective and development in the dynamics here. Thank you.